Hi guys, welcome to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to fix the Instagram Notes feature if it is not showing. It is very simple to fix, so let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you need to do in order to fix this feature is to open up Instagram. And then in order to find this, all you want to do is click on the messages in the top right corner of Instagram. And as you can see right above my profile, there's a little plus icon. If I click that, I can then go ahead and start adding notes to my profile. Just a little message on top of my profile picture. But if you don't have this, there's a couple things you can do. The first thing you can do is to back out of Instagram, go to the App Store, and then you want to search for Instagram. You're just going to check and see if Instagram needs some kind of update, because this is something that's very recent that's happened. So you might not actually have the update for this certain feature. So as you can see, my Instagram is completely updated, but as you can see, Pinterest is not. That's what the icon would look like. So you can go and update it if you need to and open it back up and see whether or not that works. Another thing you can do is to open up Instagram and then back out of here. You want to go to your profile in the bottom right corner. You can click on the three lines in the top right. Go and select on settings. You want to click on account. Once you're at account, go ahead and scroll down to the very bottom, and you want to go ahead and switch to a professional account. What this does is kind of make the messages a little bit more advanced and maybe fix some bugs that might be going on within your app. So I'll go ahead and click this real fast. Click on continue through all this. It doesn't really matter since you're going to possibly switch it right back. This could take a second for it to actually switch over to a professional account. Go ahead and click next. And once you're here, you can go and click X right here. So if I go back to messages from my homepage, as you can see now I have primary, general, and also requests. Before I only had primary and requests. So as you can see, I can still leave notes right here. However, if you want to go ahead and go back out of a professional account, go ahead and do the exact same steps that I just showed you. But this could fix the leave a note as well. Another thing you could do is go and just back out of Instagram and turn your phone off completely and turn it back on. Sometimes that helps as well. And finally, you could easily just wait for the Instagram Notes feature to just come on your phone, because Instagram is still releasing it to new phones every single day. So maybe it just hasn't reached your phone yet and you might not be able to get it until they finally put it on your phone. But these are a couple methods on how you could get the Instagram Notes feature. So I hope this video does help. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year, and I could not do it without your help. If you have any video ideas, please make sure to leave it in the comments. But thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.